at na-receive po or kasalukuyang nagko-coordinate po ang ating police dun sa concerned branch 26 of Santa Cruz, Laguna. And we have some of the personalities subject of that warrant of arrest are actually in custody sa Philippine National Police kasi naka restricted custody sila doon. I think there are about 10 or 11 police personnel who are under restricted custody, and they are now being directed to surrender to the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. And the others, the dedicated teams of the PNP are now on their way to implement the warrant of arrest.
Are we anticipating any difficulty with the service of the warrant? Do we know the whereabouts of Mr. Ang?
We have certain procedures in implementing warrant of arrest, hindi lang warrant of arrest, at different police operations. This is a implementation of warrant of arrest. Meron tayong procedure, and the PNP personnel, all PNP personnel involved are of course mandated na sundin ito. At gagawin nilang lahat para ma-implement.
Again, yung whereabouts po ni Mr. Ang, okay po natin.
Tukoy ang ating warrant of arrest or location of Charlie Atong Ang, different location, and it will be served in those locations.
Salamat po.